A question involving Social Security today for The Law and You. Joining us are award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being on the show today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
All right, let's get to this question from Jack in Montrose. I was recently denied a Social Security disability. I haven't been able to work for the last year. What can I do? My family is really suffering. Jack sounds like he's in a tough spot here.
Jack's in a real tough spot, and what's important for him to do is, if he's been denied, you have a 60-day window to refile your appeal to the denial of the claim. So it's important that you get that appeal filed, because if you don't, you have to start the whole process over again. And if you've paid, every time you get a payroll check while you're working, you're paying for that disability insurance, so use it. If you're hurt and you can't work, get in the system, get yourself to a good lawyer who can walk you through this and get it done, because there are time frames that you have to comply with.
Yeah, and what you have to realize is that the majority of people are denied when they apply for Social Security. I mean, this is not something that's uncommon. So you got to get that appeal filed. You got to get to an attorney that handles Social Security disability, that knows what they're doing, because there are some very specific requirements when it comes to this appeal process that you got to comply with. Otherwise, you're going to be, you're going to be out of court on that. The other thing you need to do is make sure that you tell your doctors that you're applying for Social Security disability, because your doctors are going to have to write reports that are going to specify the nature of your disability and also specify why you can't work. And so those things are going to be critical, critical pieces of information and evidence when you have your hearing for Social Security disability, and then ultimately a judge is going to make a decision as to whether you are disabled or not disabled within the parameters of Social Security. And there's a number of criteria and elements that they go through on that.
All right, when it comes to legal questions involving Social Security disability, where can our viewers go for help?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. They can see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page, and if you like us on our Facebook page, post a question. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
All right, Results Matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us, Steve.
You can get your question answered on the show by visiting pahomepage.com or giving us a call on the hotline.